guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to do your office makeup very quickly. Now if you are someone who is running late and you just have 5 to 10 minutes to get ready, don't worry, check out this video right here of mine where I show you how to get dressed properly and look stylish and put together in under 10 minutes. Also, I have shown a bit of my makeup tips that I use when I am running late, so do check that video out. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can use foundation and concealer and other makeup products to achieve a very minimal and very sophisticated classy look for your office. So let's get right into the video. So I am someone who does not wear full face of makeup when I am going to work. I usually skip that part, but in this video I'm going to use foundation and concealer. So my first step would be foundation. Now I don't have skin tint, so I'm just going to use my foundation from Maybelline and I'm going to mix my foundation with my moisturizer. So mixing my full coverage foundation with my moisturizer, it gave me a little bit of sheer coverage and my skin is glowing. Moving on, I'll start with concealing very lightly under my eyes. I just use a tiny amount of concealer. Now before setting this face makeup on, I'm gonna use a cream blush from Maybelline. And to set my makeup, I'm gonna use this loose finishing powder from Maybelline. And as you can see, I'm just using one beauty blender and using it for all the products. Now usually I use an eyeshadow base, but right now we are going for a very minimal and quick look. So I'm gonna just use concealer for my lids as well. So I just want to give a little bit of depth in my eyes, so I'm gonna go with this shade right here from Huda Beauty and I'm just gonna frame my eyes. Bonus tip, find out what colors of eyeshadow you gravitate more towards. So for my minimal look, I usually gravitate more towards monochrome nude beige looks, so I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. But if you're someone who gravitates more towards a peachy tone or maybe a slightly pinkish tone, then use that eyeshadow to frame your eyes. I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just go over my eyelids. Now I'm just gonna leave it at that and I'm gonna use my black liner to frame my eyes and some mascara. I'm not someone who uses eyeliner on daily basis, so I'm gonna skip that part as well. Now moving on to the lips, I use only these two lipsticks on daily basis. This is from Maybelline, it is a lifter gloss, and this lipstick is from M.A.C in the shade Velvet Teddy. So this is the final look guys, I hope you liked it. Now in next video I'm gonna show you how to take this look from day to night. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.